I just discovered a way to triple your harvest using old pool noodles, and it's absolutely genius. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where everyday items turn into powerful tools for your garden. Today I'm sharing 15 brand new gardening hacks you've probably never seen before, each one designed to make your plants healthier, your garden more productive, and your life easier. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing gardeners from all over join in. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last hack is a total game changer that could completely transform your growing season. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you never miss a tip that can take your garden to the next level. Hack number 1, Pool Noodle Trellis System. Take an old pool noodle, slice it lengthwise, and thread it onto stakes to create a soft and flexible trellis for your plants. This method is perfect for delicate vines, tomatoes, cucumbers, or any climbers that don't respond well to harsh, rigid supports. Unlike traditional trellises, the pool noodle gently cradles stems, preventing bruising or snapping while still giving plants the vertical support they need to grow strong and healthy. Beyond just supporting your plants, this system is reusable and weatherproof, meaning it can withstand sun, rain, and wind without breaking down. You can leave it in place season after season, saving time and money, while giving your garden a polished, organized look. It's a simple, cost-effective hack that makes vertical gardening easier and far more efficient. Hack number 2, Shoe Organizer Vertical Garden. Transform a simple hanging shoe organizer into a space-saving vertical garden that's perfect for small patios, balconies, or fences. By hanging it against a wall or fence, each pocket becomes a mini planter, ideal for herbs, leafy greens, or other shallow-rooted plants. To make it garden-ready, simply poke small drainage holes in the bottom of each pocket so excess water doesn't pool, which keeps your plants healthy and prevents root rot. This vertical setup not only saves ground space, but also gives your plants better sunlight exposure, which is essential for robust growth. The beauty of this hack is how versatile and customizable it is. You can arrange pockets in a pattern that suits your garden's layout, layer different types of herbs or flowers, and even rotate plants seasonally to maximize yields. It's a creative, practical solution that turns a household item into a fully functional garden structure, proving that with a little imagination, even the smallest spaces can become productive and visually appealing. Hack number 3, Aluminum Foil Aphid Repellent. Wrap strips of aluminum foil around the base of your plants to naturally deter aphids and other small pests. The reflective surface confuses insects by bouncing light in different directions, making it harder for them to locate and settle on your plants. This simple chemical-free method protects your crops while keeping your garden safe for pollinators and beneficial insects. An added benefit is that the foil also reflects sunlight, providing extra warmth for plants that love heat. This can help boost growth in early spring or cooler climates, giving your plants a little extra energy each day. It's a quick, inexpensive hack that protects your garden while enhancing growth, all with items you probably already have at home. Hack number 4, Cooking Water Plant Tonic. Instead of pouring your leftover pasta, vegetable, or egg boiling water down the drain, save it for your garden. This water is packed with nutrients, like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, that your plants crave, giving them a natural boost without any chemical fertilizers. Just make sure the water has cooled to room temperature before pouring it onto your plants. Hot water can damage delicate roots and stunt growth. By recycling kitchen water in this way, you're turning something that would be wasted into a powerful, nutrient-rich tonic for your garden. This hack is not only effective, but also incredibly simple to integrate into your daily routine. Every time you cook, you're creating an opportunity to feed your plants for free, enhancing soil health, and promoting stronger, more vibrant growth. Over time, using cooking water as a plant tonic can improve the overall vitality of your garden, helping your vegetables, herbs, and flowers thrive with minimal effort and maximum sustainability. Hack number 5, Shower Caddy Strawberry Tower. Repurpose a multi-tier shower caddy into a vertical strawberry tower that saves space and maximizes sunlight exposure. Each tier can hold soil and a few strawberry plants, allowing them to grow upward, instead of spreading out across your garden. Hang it where it gets plenty of sun, and make sure each level has proper drainage, so excess water doesn't pool at the bottom. This setup is perfect for patios, balconies, or small yards where horizontal space is limited. The vertical design not only saves space, but also keeps strawberries off the ground, reducing the risk of pests and rot. You can layer different varieties on separate tiers, or rotate plants seasonally for continuous harvests. With just a simple household item, you create a productive, eye-catching garden feature that combines convenience with efficiency, proving that vertical gardening can be both fun and functional. Hack number 6: Cornstarch Antifungal Spray. Keep powdery mildew and other fungal issues under control with a simple cornstarch spray. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a quart of water, stir until dissolved, and pour into a spray bottle. Apply it directly to the leaves of affected or susceptible plants once a week. This natural solution creates a thin protective layer on the foliage, preventing spores from taking hold and spreading, while being completely safe for your plants, pets, and the environment. Regular use not only treats existing fungal problems, but also acts as a preventive measure for the entire growing season. By incorporating this easy-to-make spray into your garden routine, you can maintain healthier, stronger plants without relying on harsh chemical treatments. It's an inexpensive, eco-friendly hack that helps your garden thrive while keeping fungal threats at bay. Hack number 7: Ice Cube Orchid Watering. Give your orchids a slow and steady hydration method by using ice cubes. Instead of pouring water directly into the pot, place an ice cube or two on the soil. As it melts, it releases water gradually, preventing overwatering, a common mistake that can damage delicate orchid roots. This method helps maintain the ideal moisture level for orchids, which prefer consistent but moderate hydration, rather than soggy soil. Using ice cubes also makes watering more predictable and convenient, especially for beginners. You can establish a weekly schedule, adjusting the number of cubes based on the size of the pot and the season, ensuring your orchids stay healthy and bloom beautifully. This simple trick takes the guesswork out of watering and protects one of the more finicky plants in your garden. Hack number 8: Toilet Paper Roll Cutworm Collars. Protect your young seedlings from hungry cutworms with a simple and biodegradable solution. Toilet paper roll collars. Cut the rolls into 2 to 3-inch rings and push them gently into the soil around the base of each seedling. These collars act as a physical barrier, preventing cutworms from reaching the tender stems while still allowing your plants to grow freely. Because they're made from paper, they break down naturally over time, leaving no waste behind. Timing is key with this hack. Install the collars as soon as seedlings emerge to give them maximum protection during their most vulnerable stage. Not only does this method reduce plant losses, but it also eliminates the need for chemical insecticides, keeping your garden safer for beneficial insects and your family. It's an easy, effective, and eco-friendly way to give your seedlings a strong start. Hack number 9: Rubber band tomato pruning markers. Keep track of your tomato pruning schedule with colored rubber bands. Assign different colors to different tasks: red for pruning this week, yellow for the next, and green for stems to leave untouched. Simply wrap the bands around the main stem or suckers to mark your progress. This visual system helps prevent mistakes, ensuring you trim the right branches at the right time for optimal growth and fruit production. Not only is this method reusable season after season, but it also simplifies the pruning process, especially in larger gardens with multiple plants. By organizing your pruning schedule with rubber bands, you can boost yield, reduce stress on your plants, and maintain a neat and manageable tomato patch, without relying on complicated charts or notes. Hack number 10: Denture Tablet Vase Cleaner for Hydroponics. Keep your hydroponic systems clean and efficient by using denture cleaning tablets. Drop a tablet into your vases, reservoirs, or containers to remove algae, mineral buildup, and other residues that can affect plant growth. After letting it fizz and work for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly with clean water, and your system is ready for another cycle of healthy, unhindered growth. Regular cleaning with denture tablets prevents blockages and reduces the risk of disease in hydroponic setups. It's a simple, safe and effective method that saves time and effort while maintaining a thriving, algae-free system. By incorporating this easy routine monthly, you can ensure your hydroponic plants stay strong, vibrant, and productive all season long. Hack number 11. Muffin Tin Seed Spacing Guide. Use a muffin tin as a creative tool to achieve perfect seed spacing. Press the tin gently into the soil to create evenly sized indentations, then plant one seed in each cup. This ensures uniform depth and spacing, which is crucial for even germination and healthy seedling growth. It's especially useful for direct sowing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, where precise spacing makes a big difference in development. This hack not only saves time measuring rows but also keeps your garden organized and efficient. By using a simple household item, you can encourage consistent growth, reduce overcrowding, and make transplanting seedlings easier later on. It's a playful yet practical way to improve your garden's productivity without buying specialized tools. Hack number 12. Painter's Tape Plant Labels. Create easy removable plant labels using painter's tape and a permanent marker. Simply write the plant name or variety on a strip of tape and stick it to a stake or directly on the pot. When the season ends or you need to change labels, the tape removes cleanly without leaving sticky residue, making it ideal for seasonal gardens or rotating crops. This hack is inexpensive, versatile, and weather-resistant, perfect for keeping track of multiple plant varieties in one garden bed. It allows you to organize your plants clearly, track growth progress, and avoid confusion without investing in costly commercial labels. With painter's tape, labeling your garden becomes fast, efficient, and completely customizable. Hack number 13. Laundry Basket Compost Sifter. Turn an ordinary laundry basket into a practical compost sifter to separate fine finished compost from larger chunks that need more time to decompose. Simply place the basket over a wheelbarrow or container and shake it gently. The small holes in the basket allow the rich, ready-to-use compost to fall through while keeping oversized materials on top, ready to return to the pile for further breakdown. This method ensures that your garden receives smooth, nutrient-rich soil without rocks, sticks, or large debris. The beauty of this hack is its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to buy specialized equipment, and you're repurposing something you probably already have at home. By sifting your compost regularly, you improve its texture, making it easier to work into garden beds or pots, and ensure that your plants get the maximum benefit from well-decomposed organic matter. It's a quick, eco-friendly, and effective way to turn ordinary kitchen and garden waste into high-quality fertilizer. Hack number 14. Coconut Oil Pruner Blade Protector. Keep your garden tools in top shape by applying coconut oil to your pruner blades after each cleaning. This natural, non-toxic method helps prevent rust and corrosion, keeping blades sharp and efficient for longer periods. Simply wipe a thin layer over the metal surface, making sure to cover every inch of the blade, and store your tools in a dry place. Regular maintenance like this prolongs the life of your pruners and ensures smooth, precise cuts that are healthier for your plants. Using coconut oil is not only effective, but also eco-friendly and safe for both you and your garden. Unlike chemical sprays or oils, it won't contaminate your soil or plants, and it's inexpensive and easy to apply. By incorporating this simple step into your routine, you'll save money on replacements, avoid frustration from dull or rusty tools, and enjoy the confidence of knowing your pruning equipment is always ready for action. Hack number 15. Freezer as Seed Stratification Chamber. Some seeds, like those of perennials or certain vegetables, require cold stratification to germinate. You can mimic winter conditions by placing the seeds in a moist paper towel or bag and storing them in the freezer for the recommended period. This controlled cold exposure tricks the seeds into thinking they've gone through winter, which significantly improves germination rates when planted. Timing and moisture are key. Different species need different lengths of stratification and just enough moisture to prevent drying out. Using your freezer as a stratification chamber is a simple, cost-effective hack that gives stubborn seeds the best chance to sprout. It's perfect for gardeners looking to expand their plant variety or grow species that otherwise struggle to germinate naturally. Bonus tips: Maximize your garden's potential. One of the easiest ways to boost your garden's productivity is by layering your plants strategically. Pair taller, sun-loving plants with low-growing, shade-tolerant companions to make the most of vertical and horizontal space. For example, tomatoes or pole beans can climb upward while lettuce or spinach thrives beneath them, protected from the harsh midday sun. Intercropping in this way not only maximizes space, but also helps deter pests naturally, as the variety of plants confuses insects and reduces the chance of a single species being targeted. Companion planting also improves soil health, as different root systems contribute nutrients and prevent depletion in specific areas. Another powerful tip is to create a consistent watering and feeding schedule tailored to each plant type. Many gardeners overwater or underwater without realizing it, which can stunt growth or promote disease. Using tools like moisture meters or simple observation, track when your soil is dry and how quickly it absorbs water. Pair this with natural fertilizers like compost tea, cooking water, or slow-release organic options to keep plants nourished without overloading them with chemicals. By combining thoughtful plant placement with careful hydration and feeding, you can dramatically increase both yield and plant health, turning your garden into a vibrant, productive oasis. These 15 hacks and the bonus tips can completely transform how you approach gardening. From repurposing everyday household items to simple natural solutions for pests, hydration, and plant care, there's so much you can do to make your garden more productive, organized, and beautiful. Implementing even a few of these ideas can save you time, money, and effort, while helping your plants thrive. The best part is that most of these hacks are easy, eco-friendly, and reusable, proving that great gardening doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. I want to hear from you. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Or do you have a favorite trick of your own? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's share ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more unique gardening tips, and give this video a like if you learned something new today. Keep experimenting, keep growing, and as always, stay inspired with timeless gardening.